Looking to diversify your protein intake beyond the usual suspects? Today we're diving into the world of alternative protein sources. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these protein sources are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. First on our list is quinoa. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, stir-fries, or as a base for grain bowls. Plus, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Next on our list, we have tofu. Tofu is a staple in many plant-based diets, and for good reason. A 3-ounce serving of tofu contains around 8 grams of protein. You can use tofu in stir-fries, scrambles, or even blend it into smoothies for a protein boost. It's also rich in calcium and iron, making it great for bone health and energy levels. Moving on to number 3, we have lentils. 1 cup of cooked lentils packs a whopping 18 grams of protein. Lentils are perfect for soups, stews, or as a meat substitute in dishes like tacos or burgers. They're also high in fiber, which can aid in digestion and help you feel fuller for longer. Number 4 on our list is chickpeas. Whether you're enjoying them roasted as a snack or blended into creamy hummus, chickpeas are a delicious and nutritious protein source. Half a cup of cooked chickpeas contains around 7 grams of protein. They're also loaded with fiber and folate, which can support heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Next up at number 5, we have edamame. These young soybeans are not only tasty, but also packed with protein. 1 cup of cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein. You can enjoy them steamed as a snack, tossed into salads, or blended into dips. Edamame is also rich in antioxidants, which can protect against cell damage and inflammation. Next is black beans. These versatile legumes are a staple in many Latin American dishes, and for good reason. 1 cup of cooked black beans contains around 15 grams of protein. You can add them to tacos, salads, or soups for a hearty and satisfying meal. Black beans are also high in fiber and antioxidants, which can promote gut health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Moving on to number 7, we have tempeh. This fermented soybean product is not only rich in protein, but also probiotics, which can support a healthy gut microbiome. A 3-ounce serving of tempeh contains around 16 grams of protein. You can grill it, bake it, or crumble it into dishes like chili or pasta for a meaty texture and flavor. Number 8 on our list is hemp seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse containing all 9 essential amino acids. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide around 10 grams of protein. You can sprinkle them on top of oatmeal, plant-based yogurt, or salads for a nutty crunch. Hemp seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can support brain health and reduce inflammation. At number 9, we have mighty chia seeds. These tiny seeds may be small, but they're mighty when it comes to nutrition. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain around 4 grams of protein. You can mix them into smoothies, puddings, or overnight oats for a protein and fiber boost. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants, which can protect against oxidative stress and promote healthy aging. Last but not least, we have seitan. Also known as wheat gluten, seitan is a popular plant-based meat substitute. A 3-ounce serving of seitan contains around 21 grams of protein. You can grill it, roast it, or sauté it with your favorite seasonings for a tasty and protein-packed meal. Seitan is also low in fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. Our bonus food, nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, often referred to as nooch, is a versatile and flavorful ingredient packed with essential nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast provide around 8 grams of protein. You can sprinkle it over popcorn, salads, or pasta for a cheesy flavor kick. It also works well as a topping for roasted vegetables or avocado toast. Nutritional yeast is rich in B vitamins, including B12. These vitamins play essential roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and cell health. Additionally, nutritional yeast contains antioxidants and minerals like zinc and selenium, which support immune function and overall well-being. And there you have it! 10 delicious and nutritious plant-based protein sources to incorporate into your daily meals. Whether you're looking to build muscle, support your active lifestyle, or simply eat more plant-based foods, these protein sources have got you covered. Do you have a favorite plant-based protein source? What's your favorite way to incorporate it into your diet? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.